Hi everyone, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today we've got something very special for you. This is a sweet called Kali. Kali is prepared during the holy month of Margari, as it is called in Tamil, or Margashish ka Mahina in Hindi. This falls during the month of November to December, and Kali is made as an offering or prasad to Lord Shiva or Natraja. This sweet tastes absolutely divine.
Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.
To make this curry, we have taken 1 cup raw rice, 1.5 cup gourd or jaggery, 2 tablespoon or 1/8 of a cup of split green gram or yellow moong dal, and 3 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter, 1/4 of a cup of grated coconut, 8 to 10 cashew nuts or kaju, 3 cups water, 3 pieces of green cardamom. We have crushed this, and now heat a pan and add in the green gram, split green gram or moong dal. Roast it until it turns brown. See this brown. Keep it on a low flame and roast. And now it is the turn of the rice. So heat the pan and add in the rice and roast it on a very low flame. This is a very important step. Roast it on a very low flame and until the rice turns golden brown, reddish brown. Just it should stop short of turning black. At that stage, you have to switch off the flame. This will give out a nice aroma and flavor to the curry that we make. That is why this step of roasting it to a reddish brown color is very important. So now we are done roasting it. See, this is how your rice should look when you have roasted it. Now after it cools down, we have taken it into a mixer jar to grind to a powder along with the moong dal that we had roasted. Now our powder is ready. This is a rava like consistency, slightly coarse, not too smooth but not too coarse. But in case you end up grinding it very smooth also, it is not that your curry is not going to turn out good. It will, but it will have a halwa like consistency. Whereas if you have a slightly coarse powder, your curry will have a more defined texture. It will be smooth as well as it will have a slightly coarse texture to it. So it's up to you how you like it. Now we are heating water in a pan. We have to allow this water to boil. Now the water has come to a boil and we are adding in the jaggery or gourd. Now we have to wait for the jaggery or gourd to completely dissolve. There is no need to make a syrup of any consistency. Now the jaggery has dissolved and we are adding in coconut or nariyal. Mix it. There are a few coconut pieces also in my grated coconut, but that is okay. Now we are adding in 1 tablespoon of ghee. Not all the ghee now, only 1 tablespoon now. This ghee will help us to dissolve the lumps after we add the flour. Now is the time to add the flour that we ground or the powder that we ground. But now switch off the flame and then mix this. While mixing, if you switch off the flame, it mixes well. Now again switch on the flame and for 2 minutes keep stirring it and then transfer it to a small pan and put this pan inside the pressure pan. Close it with a lid and then give it 4 to 5 whistles. If you don't do this step and directly put it in a pressure pan, it may burn. Now we are done. Five whistles have sounded, and we are opening the pressure pan, and our curry is done. See, this is the texture of our curry. Now all that we have to do is heat a pan, add ghee to it. When the ghee or clarified butter is hot, adding the cashew nuts. We have broken the cashew nuts. Roast until golden brown. Now adding these cashew nuts to the curry. Now that is the crushed cardamom, green cardamom or elaichi we have added now. Give it a good mix. And now we are transferring our awesome curry. Just look at it. Just look at the texture. And we can just smell the aroma of the rice that was so nicely roasted. This is a very healthy dish. Absolutely divine. Tastes awesome. You must give it a try. And this curry is had with this kuttu called talagam kuttu or vegetables. Beautiful unique combination. You can check out the recipe of the talagam also in our channel. I hope you enjoyed watching this wonderful recipe. Do try it out and give us your feedback here. Bye for now. See you with another recipe very soon. Take care. Bye.